What you crying for? Oh! What's good, YouTube? My name's Hayden. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing After Friday. I know this is in Japanese, but it's supposed to say After Friday, I think. But yeah, apparently this game is about your fridge haunting you. That's all I know about the game. So yeah, let's get right into this. We just go straight into the freaking game. Remind y'all, this is a freaking $2 game. It's dark as frick up in here, bro. Press space to flat. I don't like this. Where the frick are we trying to go? Okay. Boom. Can we run, bro? It's dark as freak. Okay. Alright, let's go up here. Dude! Proceed to interact with wooden mannequin. Who puts a wooden mannequin in the... That's what I'm saying, bro. Turn that on. How is this supposed to be about our... Oh my god! Oh. Turn that back on. Turn that back on. Okay. How is it supposed to be about our fridge haunting us, bro? Okay. Is this ours? Okay. Proceed to interact. Go home. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh! Dang. Well, hello. Who are you? Nah, we are not gonna do that. Alright. Oh! Who are you? He turned to the woman. Can you grab some wine from the fridge? The show's about to start. I'll be waiting. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's just go follow the fridge with the face on it. Alright, bro. Ew. Please just let me grab my wine, bro. I don't like this. Alright, bro. Okay, please. Oh! What the freak? Is this Beetlejuice? Where am I, bro? The elevator's broken. Well, I can tell. Alright, we just have to go up. Freak! Stop whispering in my ear. Kind of turns me on. I'm just joking, bro. Oh! Okay, chill, bruh. I'm about to have a seizure. Stop. Am I having a date with my fridge? My queso? Oh, the wine. Okay. Got the wine, time to head back to it. Hour after hour in therapy, trying to fit. Bro. Hour after hour in therapy, trying to fix someone who only hurts himself. What a waste. It never works. These days, I just hand out pills. The frick? Oh! Oh, this is nice. Definitely just didn't do the Harlem Shake. Aw, that's nice. Aw. Yeah. Hey, what? Whoa! Get some babies, bro. Oh wait, what? Bro's got a. Did he kill her? Wait, bro. What you crying for? Okay, bro. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm done with this game, bro. I'm going home, bro. I hear something. Why are you following me, bro? Can we sit down? What are we watching, bro? Oh, this is open. I can't see a thing, bro. What is happening? Bro, I can't see nothing. This looks very ominous. Let me in. You know what? Never mind. Yeah. What is happening? Alright, there's an arrow. Always follow arrows in an alleyway, bro. That's smart. Statue, go on. I thought I just turned back to somebody walk. Bro, this game's crazy. Okay, yeah, you got it, bro. It's like PT. Okay, it is raining now. What am I doing? What's up, dude? Oh, that's the. Oh! Dang, bro! Turn down my. Ooh, what? So, for mountain folk, this are fewer children and more trees. More trees to revive. Oh, frick. Am I on some type of drugs, bro? Reminder, this is a $2 freaking game, bro. That was good. It's too late. For what? Or maybe it always was. I don't know how long it's been. Been for what? But everything feels quieter now. Are you dead? I'll be waiting for him. You can go now. Oh! Where can I go?
Happy birthday.
Alright, guys. That was after Friday. I'm not gonna lie, that was a pretty good $2 game. I'm not gonna lie. There was a lot of jump scares. Probably because I had my sound up, if I'm being honest with you. If y'all did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part of the video. And yeah, I'll see y'all next one.